This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Infiniti Q50 battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a wire brush, and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, always wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves to prevent contact with battery acid. Next, locate your Infiniti Q50's battery, which is often found under the hood, sometimes requiring removal of a cover or air filter housing. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative battery cable first, followed by the positive cable. Then, carefully unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush and cleaning solution. This helps prevent corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits snugly. Now, connect the positive battery cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening each connection firmly. Double-check that all connections are tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. For added protection and to extend battery life, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Infiniti Q50 to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly and your vehicle powers on without issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.